What if I told you that you could start a YouTube channel today without showing your face and still make thousands of dollars? I'm talking about channels that grow up to 100,000 subscribers without a single selfie. Faceless but powerful. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start your own faceless YouTube channel from scratch. Even if you don't have money, you don't have a skill, or you don't have the confidence to show on camera. So grab your notebook. We're not just going to be talking about theories. I will show you everything from niche ideas, voiceover tools, content creation, and how to monetize fast. First of all, let's understand what a faceless YouTube channel is. A faceless YouTube channel is simply a channel where the creators do not appear on camera. All you see is simply visuals, stock footage, videos, animations, or simply screen recording. And in there, they tell stories, teach, entertain using their own voice or AI voices. Now, a faceless YouTube channel is perfect for you if you are the shy type, or you're not ready to show your face for one reason or the other, or you just want to automate your content. Now, here are some of the faceless biggest channels. Simply go on YouTube and check on them. You're going to see that these people are not even showing their face, and yet they are cracking millions of views on YouTube. For example, if you check the channel of Top 5C, this channel talked about fact videos. What about Tech Gumbo? Deals with tech explainers. What about Luffy Girl? Deals with music animations. And then we have Moon. This is a channel that brings up documentaries in form of storytelling. These channels make thousands of dollars monthly just by being consistent and creative. The first thing is to pick a profitable niche. If you pick the wrong niche, your channel will simply struggle, no matter how good your editing is. So I'm going to be mentioning the best faceless YouTube channel you can hop into right now that are doing so well, and you're going to blow up very fast. The first niche is the AI tutorials and tools niche. Now, this niche teach people how to use AI tools like CapCut, Google VEO, Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Pictory AI, and a host of other AI tools that people can actually use to create faceless YouTube videos. So you can decide to hop on a niche like this, and all you simply need to do is to learn a particular AI tool and then do a video tutorial teaching people how to do the same thing. And you will see people coming to subscribe to your channel and keep on coming so they can learn more from you. And the truth is, a lot of brands are reaching out to content creators like this. I also do videos like this on my channel, and a lot of times I get brand deals from brands that actually want me to test their AI tools to my audience, and I get paid for it. Now, the next niche that is currently blowing up right now, the finance and money making niche. And on this niche, you can talk about affiliate marketing, side hustles, apps and websites that are legit and that can actually help people to make money. Or you can also talk about investing. Everything that deals with money, this niche actually handles it. And then we have the motivational content niche. And in this niche, you simply make videos about daily affirmations, quotes, or speeches. And then we have the niche of storytelling or documentaries. And on this niche, you talk about real life stories or narrated stories. And then we have the niche of tutorials and tech guide. And what this niche do is that they do how-to videos that teach people how to do something. And they simply use their screen recordings to teach people how to do all that. And then we have the niche that is all about relaxation, which is where people do rain sounds, music, or study ambience, where people just simply come to relax. Now, before you even decide which of these niches you're going to do, simply go to the YouTube search bar and type in a particular niche you want to make a research about. And what are you looking for? Simply look for the amount of views those type of niche gets every month. And the level of views they get will actually determine if that niche is in demand, if the niche is trending, if the niche is evergreen, and it will not determine if you're going to go for the niche or not. But if you check a niche and you discover that the creators in those niches, their videos are not really getting enough views, then you know that if you venture into that niche, you will simply struggle and get frustrated. Now, if you check a niche and you see that a video was posted 2 weeks ago, and that video is already getting 10,000 views, then know that that niche is the niche for you. After that, you cannot decide on the type of niche to choose. Now, there are different faceless YouTube channel kinds or types. We have the voiceover based, that's faceless YouTube channels that are into voiceovers. And in this aspect, you actually narrate over a footage. Now, we have the text to speech faceless YouTube channels. And in this type, you simply use voiceovers from AI tools like 11 Labs, Hygiene, or simply TTS Maker. And then we have the animation or slideshows type, where you simply use Pictory AI, to do your animations, or you simply use CapCut to do your animations. And we have the screen tutorials type of Faceless YouTube channels. And this type is simply perfect for tech and tutorial based channels. So you can simply pick one of these and build your entire brand around it. For example, this channel you're watching me right now focuses on YouTube tutorials and faceless creator education. Now that's my brand voice. Simple, clear, and valuable. Now, the next step is to create a brand identity. The mistake a lot of people make is that they feel like, oh, because your channel is faceless, you should not be a brand. Even if you are faceless, you need a brand identity. Choose your brand name, color, and style. You can use Canva or Bing AI to design your channel logo, banner, and watermark. Simply keep everything simple but recognizable. Now, the next thing is to plan your content strategy. Before uploading, ensure you plan your content pillars. Now, I'm going to be giving you 3 to 4 main type of videos that your channel should be revolving about. For example, if you're going to be going into the YouTube tutorial niche, just like the niche I am right now, your content should revolve around YouTube growth tutorials, algorithm updates, monetization tips, or tool reviews. When this is clear, you need to plan your upload schedule. Are you going to be uploading once, twice, or 3 times a week? Consistency is everything. And when I say consistency doesn't mean you should upload every day. Inconsistency simply means that your viewers knows that you're going to be uploading just once in a week. And once in a week, you must upload. That is consistency. If you tell your viewers you're going to be uploading just 2 times in a week, ensure you upload 2 times in a week. If you'll be uploading just 3 times in a week and you keep on showing 3 times in a week, that is consistency. For example, on this channel, I try my best to upload 3 times in a week. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, Saturdays. That's 3 times in a week, and that is consistency. It's just on a rare occasion, and then I feel like, oh, I need to put out this topic out there. Then you'll see me putting up a 4th video in a week. Learn your upload schedule and put it up there in your banner. You're going to be getting 2 videos every week and give them date and time. Use a free content calendar. ChatGPT can do all these things for you. Just tell ChatGPT, I want to go into a faceless YouTube channel. I need content calendar from you. Give me 10 faceless channel ideas can actually do that will blow up my channel. You're going to see ChatGPT will give you everything. All you need to do is to start creating content around it, following your content schedule. And by so doing, you're good to go. You don't have to start thinking of which video am I going to do next? What topic am I going to do next? And your content will simply be flowing. I have a Faceless YouTube channel course that I've designed to help beginners that want to start a Faceless YouTube channel. This course is just 5,000 naira. With 5,000 naira, you can have access to this course and you're going to have access to my mentorship. And getting this course will give you access to my lifetime mentorship. From zero to monetization till you are able to stand alone on YouTube. You can check the link in the description box, in the comment section of this video to get access to that course. Now, the next thing is to write your script. Every viral video starts with a good script. Now, if you're writing your script, use this simple format. You start with a hook. Your hook should be designed in such a way that it will grab attention in the first 10 seconds. Your hook should be curiosity based. It should have a promise. And then the next thing is your intro. Tell them what they're going to learn in the video. Then you have the body of your video. Deliver step-by-step value in such a way that they will not regret clicking on your video. Then your script should have an outro. Simply give them a call to action. You can tell them to like the video and subscribe to your channel and share it as well. Again, you can tell ChatGPT to give you a script, but always edit it in your own voice. Let your personality show, even if your face is not going to show. The next step is to record your voice or use an AI voice recorder. Now, if you're comfortable using your voice, you can record your voice using your phone and CapCut or Audacity, or you simply use 11 Labs. If not, you can use AI voice generators like 11 Labs. 11 Labs is so beautiful because it can actually generate realistic looking human voice. If you're a Nigerian, it can give you voices of Nigerians. If you are someone in the diaspora, it can actually give you voices that look like people in diaspora. It can give you natural voices that does not sound robotic. Always ensure you adjust the pitch and speed to make it to sound more human. It can also give you a male voice or a female voice if that is what you want. Now comes the magic, editing like a pro. There are a lot of editing tools you can actually use to bring all your stuffs to life. I use CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Filmora, can add stock footage. And by stock footage, I mean those images and videos that will be displaying while your voice is coming at the background. For that, you can use Pixels, Pixabay, or Mixit. Use transitions, captions, and music to simply keep the video alive. And then don't forget to remove every silence in the video. And by silence, I mean all those parts that nobody is talking. Keep the pacing fast and maintain energy. There should not be a boring moment in your video. You need to remember that attention span on YouTube is actually very short. Keep every 5 seconds interesting. If you are teaching, simply use text on your screen, something that will keep them glued and watching for longer. Now, the next thing is to upload and optimize. This is where most creators fail, the SEO, search engine optimization. After you've done the voiceovers, you've edited it, you've perfected it, now you can actually create videos and not get any views at all if it is not well optimized for search engine. And that is why you should actually get that course, because that course is going to teach you everything you need to know to grow on YouTube. I have videos there that will actually teach you how to grow very fast. Now for the SEO, ensure you use your main keywords in the title and the description box, and also reinforce them in your tags and hashtags. For example, how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2025, full tutorial. And ensure you write 2 to 3 paragraphs in your description that is summarizing the title, that is summarizing what your video is all about. And add your hashtags like faceless YouTube channels, YouTube growth, and then your brand name. For example, my brand name is Debby Tutorials Academy. Hashtag Debby Tutorial Academy. Now, the next thing is to monetize and scale your video. Do you know you can actually start making money on YouTube without being monetized? You can start making money on YouTube immediately you start your YouTube channel without getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. This is how you can do it. Simply go into affiliate marketing that are related to your niche. Talk about product and tools that are related to your niche. Teach people about a particular tool or product and drop the link in the description box. And when those people patronize those brands with your unique link, you're simply going to get a commission. I also have another YouTube channel where I talk about how to make money online, and I'm affiliating for platforms. And once anybody clicks on my link to get access to those platforms, I usually get commissions. You can make money through digital products, sponsorships. Brands can actually reach out to you as little as your channel is, because a lot of brands reach out to small channels. Some brands just need you to mention them in your video, and so they can actually reach out to you to talk about their product. And even with your few subscribers, they are going to get clients, right? So brands actually reach out to small channels that don't even have up to 1,000 subscribers. You can say my channel is not up to 1,000 subscribers, and I can go on to show you a lot of emails I've gotten for brands that want to collaborate with my channel, and they are willing to pay for it. Some may not pay for it. They might just talk about their affiliate links. You're going to get commissions if people click on your link, while some brands are actually going to pay you a reasonable amount of money for you to promote their product. So you should just start a YouTube channel, even if you don't want to show your face, because these are the kind of things you can actually enjoy. On your YouTube channel, you can also offer services like editing services, coaching services, and you're going to make money. A lot of creators are making money. These are the various ways that creators are making money apart from videos. In fact, the adverts YouTube places on their videos are the least way the smart creators are making money. So it is not until you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours before you can start making money on YouTube. And the secret to all this is to turn your channel into a brand. Once you start a YouTube channel, don't talk about so many things. Niche down immediately. Focus on one clear topic. And that is how you build a brand. And once this brand sees that your channel is niched down already, your channel is already branded, that is when they can reach out to you. So guys, this is simply how to start a faceless YouTube channel, from channel creation to monetization. If you found this video helpful, do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.